In this video, we will be practicing solving multi-step equations. Here's the first equation. Press pause, show your work to solve it, and then you can come back and see how you did. What I would do first is I draw a dotted line right here to separate with my equal sign. I look on the left-hand side and I think, is there anything that I can put together or that I need to do combining like terms or simplifying? Yes, there is. 7x minus 2x, that right there is 5x equals 15. I will divide by 5, and x equals 3. That is my solution. Now, you should remember that you should be able to check in your calculator. You should be able to go to press y equals and put the left into y1. You're going to put the left-hand side. So I'll put this right here into y1. 7x minus 2x. And in y2, you can put the right-hand side, which is 15. You then will press second graph to go to the table. And in the table, you'll be able to look and see. We think the answer is 3. And you should see that y1 and y2 are the same. In this case, they will both be 15. And since they are the same, that means that our answer is correct. The next one, here's our next equation. It has a's in it, but we treat it just the same. I'll draw a dotted line right here, and I will look on the left-hand side, there's just one number. On the right-hand side, we have some a's to put together. Right here, I get 14 equals a minus 2a is negative 1a plus 7. I will move my 7 to the other side. I get 7 equals negative a. That's the same as a negative 1. You can divide both sides by negative 1. Negative 7 equals a. Or you can write it y equals, not y, I apologize, a equals negative 7. You can go through and check them in the calculator exactly how I showed you on the first problem. Putting the left-hand side into y1, right-hand side into y2, and pressing second graph to check and see if at negative 7, y1 and y2 are the same, and they will be. They'll both be 14. Here's the next one. You can pause it and solve it. I will put the k's together. I get 1 minus 5, which is negative 4k, plus 8 equals 12. From here, I need to get k by itself, so I'll move the 8. I'll subtract 8 from each side. Negative 4k equals 4. I will divide by negative 4. I get k equals negative 1. The next problem, there's the next one. Try and solve this one. Right here, I'll draw my line. I'll put my p's together. 7 plus 5 is 12p equals negative 24. I will divide by 12 to each side. P equals negative 2. The next one, there's the next problem. Pause it and solve this one. This is the last one in this video. Right here, there's nothing that I can combine on the left-hand side, but on the right-hand side, I can put my x's together. So I get negative 13 equals negative 6. 5 minus 6x, negative 1x. I will then add 6 to each side to get x by itself. I get negative 7 equals negative x. All I need to do is divide by negative 1. X equals 7, or, well, I had it as 7 equals x, or x equals 7. Either way is correct.